Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off alarm on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have a lot of scheduled alarms, of course it will be annoying when you don't use them and they ring in the open space from time to time, and that is really annoying. So this time I want to turn off all of my schedule alarm, and that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can go to clock menu on your phone like this. Okay. And then now you can turn it off your scheduled alarm, or it will be better if you guys delete all of scheduled alarm. You can click delete all. So yeah, your scheduled alarm already turned off. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.